Okay, this is how I'm doing the gable ends on these things. This one actually had a nail in it. I've screwed a nail in there. There's a hole here for that screw, that nail there. Now I put a bit of mortar on there to see how that fits. I have a bunch of extra 1.5, so I'm going to use those every chance I get. It's a little bit long here, but I don't care if I have to cut that off. That fits perfectly. I'm not going to screw around with a half a tile or something there on that end now. So I think all I got to do is rebed that a little bit more, tie the wall into the roof, because otherwise there ain't nothing supporting it really. So a bit more mortar, then I can finish the row. So just did that one over there a minute ago, and then I'll finish off another row, and I'll be ready to put some more stuff on there. So I'm continually spraying water wherever I want the concrete to stick. I want it to stick. There's no doubt about it. Just there's no excuses for it not sticking. So a lot better job this side than the other side. So here we go.